Hello, beautiful souls. I welcome you to my channel. Before the universe moved, there was only silence. And from that silence arose Shakti. But what if I tell you that the same union of Shiva and Shakti is happening inside you right now? Have you ever felt a power inside you that you cannot explain? That is Shakti. Now, who is Shakti? Shakti is not just a goddess, not merely a mythological figure. Shakti is the living, breathing force of existence. She is the pulse of your heartbeat. She is the fire in you when you are transforming. She is an emotion behind your devotion. She is the power behind every creation. Shakti is the dynamic energy of the universe. Without Shakti, nothing moves. Consciousness remains unexpressed. She creates, sustains, and transforms. She is Kali when destruction of ego is required. She is Lakshmi when abundance flows. She is Saraswati when wisdom speaks. But beyond all forms, she is pure energy. When you feel strong, that is Shakti. When you stand up for yourself, that is Shakti. When you love deeply, that is Shakti. When you create something, that is Shakti. And when you rise after pain, that is Shakti. She is your inner power. Shakti is not outside you. She lives within you. Every intuition you ignore, every truth you suppress, and every power you doubt, that is Shakti waiting to rise. And when she rises, she doesn't beg to be seen. Now, let me explain Shakti and her love. Shakti's love is not weak. She is not needy. She is not dependent. Her love is fierce and compassionate at the same time. She loves in a way that transforms and awakens. She loves in a way that does not cage but liberates. Her love is unconditional, yet it has boundaries. Her love nurtures but also teaches. Her love heals, but it also demands growth. When Shakti loves, she sees the highest version of the soul in front of her. She does not love the ego. She loves the essence. And when her love is honored, she becomes the greatest source of strength. When dishonored, she withdraws her energy and everything collapses. Because where Shakti flows, life flows. Now, let's understand Shakti from a Kundalini perspective. In yogic spirituality, Shakti is present inside you as a Kundalini. Kundalini, the dormant spiritual energy within every human being resting at the base of the spine. When Shakti awakens, Kundalini Shakti rises, awareness expands, intuition becomes stronger, old fears begin to dissolve, emotional healing happens, and you feel connected to something bigger than yourself. It moves upwards through chakras, purifying them one by one. At the crown, she unites with Shiva. Shiva, the pure consciousness. The union represents the merging of energy and awareness, Shakti and Shiva. Kundalini awakening is about becoming more conscious, more balanced, loving, more aligned with truth, and less ego-driven. Kundalini Shakti is the divine feminine energy sleeping inside you, waiting to rise and unite you with your higher self. Real awakening is very subtle and transformative. You start observing your thoughts instead of being controlled by them. You just know things without logical explanation. The old wounds, suppressed feelings, and past memories, they surface to be healed. What once triggered you no longer holds the same power. You feel drawn to meditation, spirituality, solitude, or deeper conversations. You feel deeper compassion and unconditional love. You may feel energy sensations like tingling in the spine, pressure near the third eye, vibrations during meditation. Awakening makes you more grounded. Kundalini awakening brings calm and inner peace. Kundalini awakening is not an achievement, it's a grace, a union representing harmony between energy and awareness. If your inner Shakti, the emotional expression, intuition, and aliveness is suppressed, you may attract people who dominate, over-direct, or don't really see you who you are. Relationships respond less to what we want and more to what our nervous system knows as familiar. When awareness learns to stay, when emotion is allowed to move without flooding, that is when Shiva and Shakti balance also comes. Then you attract people who are steady, safe, balanced, ready and present. Inner union always comes before the outer union. A divine feminine does not seek anyone. She remembers the frequency of their love within herself. Right connection, it doesn't distract you from yourself. It turns you inward. It challenges your old patterns. It shows you where you still abandon yourself and when you are ready to stand in truth. This kind of love doesn't rescue you from your wounds. It invites you to meet them with presence, honesty, and steadiness. And for those who just started their spiritual journey, or those who want to embody awareness and balance themselves, or those who want to have their inner union, merger of Shiva and Shakti, here is a short prayer to awaken Shakti. O Shakti, awaken in me, not as chaos or ego, but as clarity. Rise through my fears and doubts, rise through every place where I forgot my own power. Unite me with the stillness of Shiva. May I carry your strength without arrogance, your love without attachment, your fire without destruction. Teach me where to be soft, when to be fierce, and when to let go. Flow through my words, my actions, and my purpose. And when you rise within me, may I surrender to your divine intelligence, because where you flow, life flows. Om Shanti, Om Shakti.